everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu and you are watching Learn English with Indu. So today's video is most awaited video. Yes, everybody is asking that Indu, please let us also know how you are using ChatGPT and how it is helping for you, especially for your spoken English journey. So today I will share each and everything about that. Okay, so without wasting a single second, let's dive into our today's conversations. Okay, so what you have to do, if you are at beginner level, don't worry about that. Okay, chat gpt will help you without wasting even a single rupees. Yes, if you would use this tool for entire 30 days continuously, I am telling you will get to know many things in your life which you never ever did earlier. Okay, so be with me at the end and step by step we can help this thing. Okay, so first of all, you have to install this app ChatGPT. You have to go to the Play Store and there you would get this app. And after that, after login this app, what you have to do, the first page would be like this. If I am opening this, okay, the first page is like this only. How can I help you out, ChatGPT? So what you have to do here, you have to just press this button. If you don't know how to speak, what to speak, you are speaking wrong English, you are speaking correct English, and if you don't know English but you want to learn, it's okay, then also it is fine. You can just press this button and you can say, wait, let me give you the demo. Okay, hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm ready to hear your demo whenever you are.
Yes, so today I am showing this demo. How could my audience will help out with ChatGPT? Okay, so the first thing is that could you please give me some of the new idioms or phrasal verbs for spoken English journey?
I'd be happy to. For instance, you could try figure out, which means to solve or understand something, or call off, which means to cancel. And for an idiom, how about the ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action. Let me know which ones you'd like to practice.
Okay, so first I just want to go with an idiom, that is the ball is in your court. But let me frame sentences first, and if I am incorrect, so please correct me. Okay, so first I just want to say to my audience that the ball is in your court for spoken English journey. Now it's time to take that action. Is it right?
That's really close. The only tweak I'd suggest is a small phrasing adjustment. You could say, the ball is in your court for your spoken English journey. Now it's time to take action. It's a nice motivating use of the idiom.
See, thank you so much for that.
You're very welcome. It's great seeing you so motivated. If you ever want to try out more idioms or phrasal verbs, or just chat, I'm here.
So see, means without even wasting, if you are looking that nobody is around you, how could you practice? Okay, and okay, let me give you one more example. If you don't know English, if you don't know how to speak, okay, so I will say, okay, I will just press this button and I'll say, Chat GPT, I am new. I don't know how to give my introduction. Could you please give me my introduction? My name is Indu. I am 30-year-old. I am mother of two beautiful daughters and inclined towards teaching career. In terms of my hobbies, I have variety of hobbies. So could you please give me this introduction in brief and grammatically correct sentences? हेलो चैट जीपीटी, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, मुझे यह लैंग्वेज सीखनी है। क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हो कि मैं अपना इंग्लिश में इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दूं? मैं आपको हिंदी में बता देती हूँ। मेरा नाम इंदू है, मैं 2 बच्चों की माँ हूँ, मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ और मुझे इंग्लिश सीखने का बहुत मन है। अब आप मुझे इंग्लिश में इसको ट्रांसलेट करके बता सकते हो?
Of course, I'd love to help. In English, you could say, my name is Indu. I am a mother of 2 children. I live in Delhi and I am very eager to learn English.
Thank you so much for that. So see, I told you, don't worry about anything. that you need any coaching classes, any you have to join somewhere to learn this language. If you can join, it's up to you, the ball is in your court, okay? But if you don't have any facility, if you are a homemaker and you cannot step out from your house, so you are just looking for such tool, so yes, this is the one of the best experience I'm telling you. Before 1 month ago, I was not aware about anything about editing, about recording my video from YouTube itself. But at least now for me, I have recorded my hundreds video. Yes, my hundreds video I have completed on YouTube by the name of Learn English with Indu. And I am telling you, if you would see my first video and till today, you could find a difference between all these things, okay? So if you are also inclined towards learning this language, so don't wait for perfect time. I'm telling you, if you will wait for that perfect time will come, then only I'll start speaking. That would never ever come in your life. It's never too late to mend your days and start speaking today itself. And not only for the spoken English, if you want to learn any new recipe, or if you have some problem, for example, you don't know, means your daughter is suffering from something, some medical condition, you don't know, you can tell to ChatGPT, I am not feeling well, could you please help me out where I should go, or any other doctor is nearby me. So ChatGPT, at least 96%, it will give you the correct information, okay? So why not to upgrade ourselves and use this AI tool, so that we could also be fluent in this language, and at the same time, no money, you are sitting at your home, you are looking after your kids, and you are upgrading yourself also. So start using this app from today itself, and it will give you tremendous change in your life. I am telling you this thing. So that's all about today's video. I'll get back to you very soon, and thank you so much for showering your love. And if this video would be helpful for anyone, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.